All right, guys, so this part 2 then would be if you had a preference for any of the photos. So what we can do is we can go look. We can just select this guy here. This will pull up in the detail view. All right. If I just wanted a couple creative looks from every set, I would go through and do that right now. So by doing that, I would just come up here and I would go through the recommended, or I would look at like the ways, these are edited and see if I like any of these. And then that's how I would start, like by picking them. Now this is like kind of summery, getting into fall here, autumn. Ooh, I like, actually. So if I wanted, I would hit this one, right? And that would keep its integrity there. And let me just make sure that everything else is still set. Yep, it's good to go. And I would continue along. Like if I like that filter, that's TM10. I could do that to the other ones. Let's see if we like any in the cinematic. This doesn't always hit right. Okay, black and white. Do we want to give him a black and white look? All right. Okay, and we could continue going through these like so. Okay, or we could go recommended or yours. Let's see. As you can see, some of these will be good, some of these will not be. It's kind of a cool one. That's in strong in the top. All right. There we go. So this is the owner. And we go warm. Let's see what we get for warm. Way too warm, way too. I'm digging like one of these up here. This guy. This is under warm and it's the, okay, cool. All right. All right, it's like the fourth down. But like, what a cool way. To create some fun content. Page through some of these, see if you like them. The bright I already know is not going to be good. Cinematic HDR might be okay. You don't know till you see. That's kind of cool. It almost gets their color of blue off though. Alright. we'll go to this HDR since we talked about it. Oh man, these are cool. Gets kind of the blue wrong, but could probably fix that. Let's see, color. That's more towards the Duncan. Duncan color right there. Yeah, that's cool. Okay. Go back to cinematic. I like this one, but I don't like what they did with this color here. Turn that hue off. There we go, fixed. Let's give this guy. We go back into premium, and we could just kind of like page like some of these retro. There's spring we can open up and look into, although it's like fall right now. Ooh, that's cool. That filter's got it right. Ooh, that filter's got it right there, TM8. We'll hit TM8 again over here. We'll hit TM8 over here, and TM8 again over here. All right. Now I can go through and pick my photos. Collapse this. All right. Open up the bigger view. All right. Now I'm going to hold Control or Command and just select these manually here. So what did we do? Hard to tell. Maybe we did these guys here, these guys here. Let's see, did we do any in here? Not really. The owner, still holding Command. Command. Ones that I can tell anyways. Oh, we're gonna get rid of that one. Alright, that's good. These are the ones we want exported. And we'll go export JPEG small. And we're gonna go subfolder. These are already done edits, so we'll just put them in the actual folder itself. Alright. Now we did our creative looks with the filters we liked, and everything else is going to be, if we throw the logo on there, that's going to be in Photoshop. However, we may or may not, because there's so much Duncan window and door logo already. But, I mean, you know, for training purposes, I'll go over it. I'm going to double check before I close Lightroom what we got. All right, so here's Lightroom edits. Here's I'll go LR Creative or LR Creative. That's gonna be like these guys. All right, and my Lightroom edits are gonna be my base that I'm gonna work with next in Photoshop.